as you can see, we got the typical Asian hype beast checking his Instagram for likes. And, oh, does he see us? Yo, no. Nani the fuck is hype, my beast. And now, wait, I know what you're thinking. Yo, aren't all hype beasts just hype beasts? Like, that's kind of racist. No, I'm talking about the actual Asian hype beast. Like, not Asian American, international Asian hype beast. That foreign flex. But I'm gonna break it down into 3 things, and they're gonna be brands, essentials, and accessories. I was gonna do mindset, but I can't understand what they're saying. So for brands, they're still hypebeasts, so they obviously roll with the usual Supreme, Babe, Off-White, Ass Club. But these guys have ascended the hype and have gone to even bougier levels because of the key to happiness. Money. Nah, I'm kidding. Money does not buy you happiness, but they can buy you Crocs. And Crocs is like the same thing, right? But due to basically unlimited funding, they get super expensive high-end brands like Balenciaga, Man Crush, Monday, Prada, Givenchy, and they treat them like they're just basic that you find at any other department store. It's crazy. I don't know how you have so much money. Like, maybe their parents gathered all 7 of the Dragon Balls and wished for unlimited clout, but I don't know. I mean, if they did, it worked. Like, look at this guy. But since the bills go out the window, so does the taste. Next up, we got essentials, and we're starting from the top down. So for shoes, for tops, oversized hoodies are your best bet. Not because they specifically look for oversized, but because they're so skinny that everything kind of just fits oversized anyways. But make sure you have multiple, because your just as hot, just as rich girlfriend is about to steal them all. Because that is a universal problem that you can't avoid anywhere in the world. Why girls be stealing hoodies all the time? Like, what? Like, it's already hard enough for us to get your own clothes off. And now you're wearing ours. Like, what the hell? Unlike oversized tops, your pants gotta be skinnier than the male to female ratio in China. But this is because they like the jeans just like they like their girls. Tight. No, as in cool, guys. Tight as in cool. Like, you know, like, yo, that's a tight skateboard. Cool pants. It's 2018. We respect women worldwide. And for shoes, just go to bloomingdales.com, sort from highest price to lowest. Is that easy. They tend to have a more luxury inspired taste rather than street, like Balenciaga Arenas, Speed Trainers, Gucci Aces, those shoes that look like what your hand feels like when it falls asleep. Oh, Louboutin, you know, red bottoms, bloody shoes, you know. But the occasional Yeezy or Off-White collab is always to be expected because they give them to you at the airport when you're coming in from Korea. But before we get into the most important part of the video, I'm about to be head ass. Go follow my Instagram at ChristianVY, and honestly guys, I'm getting more into it, so if you can show your boy some support, that's all I'm asking. That's all I'm asking. Okay, back to talking more shit. Last but most importantly is accessories, and this is what really makes a look. So the main one that people try to replicate nowadays is that face mask. It's a legitimate thing in Asia, as hygiene and health is held to a higher personal standard, and the air isn't as great as the US. And that's not saying much. I'm looking at you, LA. But as seen by hypebeasts in the West, it's an accessory to get more likes on Instagram, so I guess you can call people hypebeasts for trying to take care of themselves, you know, it's cool. But other than the face mask, earrings are also a big thing for Asian hypebeasts too, as you can see. Actually, accessorizing in general is just a big part of the look for an Asian hypebeast. From chains to rings, you want that hardware flex. Alright, so to wrap this up, no. Okay, so thanks for watching the whole video, guys, and now you know that you can't afford to be an Asian hypebeast. Respect Women merch coming real soon, guys. I promise I did not just forget about it. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. But comment Respect Women down below and I'll try to get back to you, I promise. Follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT for some quality behind the scenes. Email me at frugalasthetic@gmail.com for anything, and yeah, guys, stay lit, respect women, but most importantly,